Hi, my name is Amanda Bonelli, and this is my introduction for ESE 634. I graduated from the University of Southern Mississippi in 2011 with a bachelor's in biology, and I got an alternate route certification through Belhaven University. In public school, I've taught 1 year of high school biology, 1 year of middle and high school self-contained SCD. Then I did a half year of resource in middle school. And then I did 2.5 years of middle and high school self-contained SCD. Currently, I work at a therapeutic day school. It is um, a place where public school districts pay for the students to attend when the least restrictive environment is not in the public school setting. So this allows for those students to have FAPE. My students are ages 12 to 20, mostly on a pre-K level, mostly on the autism spectrum, and mostly nonverbal. I have 3 paraprofessionals to assist me with the children, and all of my students are taught on alternate standards. This is some photos of my family. This is myself and my husband Benjamin during our engagement photos. We got married October 31st, 2018, and this is my son Charlie. He just graduated from preschool, and he's going to start kindergarten in the fall. About me, some of my hobbies are drawing and painting, video games, swimming, playing with my son, and pets. I like cats. I'm a cat person. We have 3 cats. Why did I choose the Masters of Arts in Special Education? I wanted to develop my own knowledge as an educator. I would like to one day become an autism expert. I want to better service my students. Completing a master's degree is a personal goal that I have, and I would like to pursue advanced degrees and or conduct research, and I would like my research to focus on autism spectrum disorder. Some strategies that special education teachers can use are differentiation in the classroom, because not all students learn the same way or are on the same level. The class that you get is going to be a mixed group with advanced, middle, and low. So you'll have to adjust to your children. I love learning styles. I think they're a very great tool. Varying learning styles. Some children are more receptive to auditory, whereas others are more kinesthetic and tactile learners. A lot of my students are more kinesthetic and tactile. Collaboration is key in special education. You have to collaborate with the general education teachers, the speech therapist, occupational therapist, physical therapist, whoever else you have to work with. Um, Other special education teachers, it's always good to get information from them. Having an organized classroom is important. It is essential if you're not going to be at school that a substitute teacher can come in and kind of pick up a substitute folder and go through it and know what to do and run through your day as you would normally do it. A safe environment, not only is it physically safe, but it's mentally safe. At the Therapeutic Day School, they have both the individuals with intellectual disabilities and psychiatric behavioral children at the school. So although I teach the IID class, sometimes the psychiatric children will come visit the class because they'd like to see some of my kids or they want to talk to me. So the children will feel comfortable enough to come share good news with me. Maybe they want to talk about a problem. Maybe they drew a picture, did really good on a test, but they let you know what's up, and it can be really good for students to have someone to talk to. And that's all I've got to say tonight. So y'all have a good evening or a good day, depending on when you watch this. Take care.